In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the data import wizard in Salesforce updated for 2035. The data import wizard is a powerful tool that allows you to easily upload and manage data within your Salesforce account, streamlining your workflow and helping you maintain organized records. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking for a refresher, today's tutorial is designed to guide you through each step clearly and efficiently. Let's begin by navigating to the data import wizard in your Salesforce account. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. This will open a drop-down menu where you need to select Advanced Setup. This is your first step toward accessing all of Salesforce's administrative features, including the data import wizard. Once you are in the setup area, you'll find a handy quick find box on the left-hand side. There you should type in data import wizard and click the resulting link to open it. This tool is specifically designed to help users like you import data swiftly and with minimal hassle. Next, you're going to click on Import My Data. This button launches the process of bringing your data into Salesforce. To proceed, click Start. Now take a moment to consider which object you'd like to import data into. You have several options such as leads, contacts, accounts, or campaign members. Choose the one that aligns with your current data requirements. After selecting your object, you'll then indicate the format of the data file you have. For this example, choose I have a CSV file since it's a commonly used format for data imports. Next, click Upload Files, which allows you to browse your computer and select the specific CSV file you prepared for this upload. It's a good idea to double check you're selecting the right file, as an incorrect choice could lead to mismatches in your data. Salesforce then works its magic by suggesting field mappings, which are essentially connections between your CSV file's column headers and Salesforce fields. The system is quite intuitive, but it's important to carefully review these mappings to make sure they align accurately with your intended data allocation. If something doesn't look right, you have the freedom to adjust the mappings as needed. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with your field mappings, it's time to click Import to begin the import process. You'll see Salesforce begin its work, integrating your data seamlessly into the system. Keep an eye on any status messages or confirmations that pop up to ensure everything is proceeding smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully used the data import wizard in Salesforce to streamline your data management. With these steps, maintaining your Salesforce records just got a whole lot easier. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial has helped you feel confident in managing your data migration tasks.